This is a first-in-human study looking at a new novel target in myeloma, GPRC5. And this was a phase 1 dose escalation study in a traditional model. And we enrolled a total of 157 patients. Patients were treated with initially IV dosing, and ultimately we've moved to subcutaneous dosing. These were very refractory patients with advanced disease, a median of 6 prior lines of therapy in the entire cohort, with a third of the patients being pentadrug refractory. Also of note, 17% of the patients had had prior anti-BCMA therapy. We were encouraged at the responses as well as the toxicity profile that we've seen. First, in terms of toxicity, we did see cytokine release syndrome, though it was only 3% of patients had grade 3 or greater CRS, 54% had total had CRS. Because of where the GPRC receptor is expressed, we did see other toxicities that were specific to this compound, specifically dysgeusia in 38% of patients, and nail disorders because it is expressed in keratin in 18% of patients. There was some hematologic toxicity, not unexpected in a group of heavily pretreated patients, with 48% of patients having anemia and neutropenia of any grade. Response rates were promising, with an overall response rate of 69%, and also that patients have durability of these responses. We have 8 responders with a duration of over 12 months. So again, very encouraging in terms of the durability of those responses, and also that we saw deepening of the responses over time. We saw induction of cytokines consistent with dose responses in patients at all dose levels. So in short, we were Talquetamab, or GPRC5, has an acceptable safety profile. CRS was seen, but generally manageable with the subcutaneous dosing and the step-up dosing. Overall response rate of 69%.